Hello friends, and welcome back to the channel and part 3 of my Discovery XD1 build from 2001 A Space Odyssey. Today what we're going to focus on is priming the engines thrusters, and also the antenna array. And then once we get those primed, I'm going to install the cargo containers onto the spine. And I may also start putting down my base color. Now I think I'm going to go with the 2010 version from the movie. So it's going to have like a reddish hue or an orangish hue over the entire ship. So what I may do is when I paint the base color, I may make the primary color a little lighter and the highlighted colors that are usually even darker, just so they show through the wash and the overspray that I'm going to do on this eventually, hopefully, if things go as planned. If not, that's okay. We can always just go back and repaint it any color we want. That's what's great about this. We're just having fun and experimenting and learning along the way. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. And here we go. Okay, we are ready to start gluing on the cargo pods. And what we're going to do first is we're going to figure out, as you can see here, I've labeled each one of these 1, 2, 3 on the spines so I know which one's which. And now we are going to make sure that this spine does fit where it's supposed to fit, which is here. Okay, so B is our first one. As you can see, I have A, B, C, D, E. So B goes on this first spine right here. Let's do this. That is a B, and then right behind that's going to be a C. So here is our C. Just make sure that one's going to fit. Yeah, see, that's what I was worried about. If you get them on backwards, then they don't fit. So let's turn this one around. Try this one here now. Okay, and then they fit on. Alright, so I'm going to make sure that I've got that right again. Because once you start gluing, you're kind of stuck there. So let's get a little glue. Whoa, that's a lot of glue. Let's get a little glue. Go ahead and put some on that one too. Okay, on to this one. On to this one. Those are on. Alright, I'm just going to keep going and make sure everything still lines up, just to be on the safe side. Alright, everything lines up, so I'm just going to keep on going here. Okay guys, here we have everything is assembled. All of the cargo bays have been installed. I will say, if I do this kit again or do another one, I will definitely go ahead and install the cargo bays ahead of time before priming and painting and everything. They're so small and they're really a challenge to get secured, glued on really securely, because I've already primed the spine parts. So next time we'll glue those on ahead of time. They're all still on really well. The ship's not completely squeezed together yet, but everything is assembled now. We've got the antennas assembled and installed. They're not glued on. You saw me painting the base coat, the white. I'm just using really thin layers of the white to allow the black primer to come through, so it has still a grayish appearance, but it's basically white, but all those details like around the engines and everywhere are coming through, which is what we want. So the next step is we're going to prime the cargo bays again, and then we'll do the same painting procedure to lighten those up and make those the same color as the rest of the ship. However, that will be in the next episode. So we're going to close out this episode, episode 3, and look forward to episode 4 coming soon. In episode 4, I think we'll probably complete the kit, and that'll be the conclusion. So thanks for watching. Appreciate you staying by. Please like and subscribe and hit the little bell so you get notified when we upload new content. And thanks for watching. Stay safe out there, and we'll talk to you soon.